Hey YouTube, I'm back again, and today we're going to be talking about water. Everyone needs to drink it, unless you're an alien, in which case you probably don't need to. Um, Something I wanted to talk to you today about is how much do you use? Do you use a lot of water? There's some cost reduction things that you can do to save yourself some money from the water that you use. So, if you like to take long showers, you can take a shorter shower, or you can change the shower head so that the shower head reduces the amount of water that's being pumped out. Another thing is you can maybe put a brick. I know this sounds strange. Put a brick in your toilet, and it'll still flush like the same amount, but it'll take a little less water to fill your toilet, and so you'll save yourself quite a bit of water that way. There's not a whole lot of water reduction techniques that I know of, unless you're living out in the country, in which case that you could collect water, but I think the government doesn't like you doing that so much. But if you have your own pond and maybe you're using it to water your fields or whatever, maybe there's some kind of outlet, or maybe you're pulling water from the river or whatever to water your land. There might be some like laws and regulations for that, but it could probably save you some money and water cost as well. So that's something that I just wanted to talk about today. It's a little bit on the short side for the video. I don't have a really lot of water reduction techniques because everyone really needs water. They need to use it for a lot, and it's a very valuable substance. um, like look at water bottles and how much they've changed over the past 10 to 15 years. So thank you very much. Like if you liked the video, dislike if you disliked the video, and subscribe if you really like this video, even though it was really short. I hope to see you guys again. See you next episode. I think it might be a little longer. Have a great day.